Students, today I'll say you about the adaptation in the leaves for photosynthesis and the opening and closing of the stomata with sugar concentration theory. Leaf is adapted to carry out the process of photosynthesis. The adaptation are as follows. They have broad, wide, flat surface to absorb light and carbon dioxide. Leaves bears minute pores. As you have already studied, they are known as stomata on both the surface of the leaf to facilitate the exchange of gases between leaf and the atmosphere. Palisade tissues absorb maximum sunlight as they are just situated below the epidermis, and they also contain abundant of chloroplast. There is a continuous supply of water and minerals in every cell through the extensive network of the veins within the lamina. The diffusion of carbon dioxide becomes very easy because of the presence of large intercellular spaces inside the leaf. Each palisade cell has numerous chloroplasts. Water coming from the veins enter to the cell by osmosis. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere also diffuses into the cell. Chlorophyll pigment found inside the chloroplast absorbs sunlight. Oxygen is released from the into the atmosphere through stomata. So, in gist, you can see these points are for the adaptation of cells inside the leaves. Point wise it is written. Now the opening and closing of the stomata. Regulation of stomatal opening. The stomata, as I have said you earlier, they are the minute structures on the leaf, minute opening we can say. They are bordered with the guard cell. As you can see over here, bordered with the guard cell. These two are the guard cell. Open or close according to their turgidity. The guard cell is kidney shaped. So when they are turgid, the stomatal opening is wide open. During the daytime, the guard cell of the stomata of the photosynthesis is active. Thus, sugar produced inside the cell increases its osmotic pressure inside the cell and causing water to enter through this opening. This results the bulging out of the outer thin layer or wall and the separation of the guard cell from each other from the inner thick wall, resulting the opening of the stomata. In the closing of stomata, when the water content of the leaf become less, the guard cell lose its turgidity, become flaccid and closing the stomata.